In this application, the customer is picking up these steel rings and transferring to different parts of the assembly process. And they're pretty heavy. They're over 40 pounds. And the first step of the process is picking them out of this pan. And the pan has a center pin. So the idea was going to use a gripper that'll attach or grasp on the inside face, and then use that gripper tool to transfer it through the various phases of the process. They had seen a G-force and had seen the force sensing handle and really liked it and wanted to incorporate that into the tooling. When we do a force sensing handle application, we also like to then recommend a second feature, and that being auto attach and release. The thought is, if you're not using your thumbs for up and down, why add additional thumb levers for attach and release? So that's what we've done. We've incorporated that into the tool. The tool is an ID gripper design. The grippers are a little unique in that they have to have a relief on the inside for this center pin. Then they'll expand and capture the ID of this ring. Aligning this tool is important. When you come down, you want to make sure that the grippers are in the right position to grab. So what we do is we make a 3D printed part, and it has a chamfer on here, and what's going to happen is as the tool comes down, it will self-align and set both your XY position where you need it and set your Z travel exactly where you need it. A couple other features on this tool is I'm using my left hand on the force sensing handle. You typically want to incorporate what's called two-hand tie-down control, meaning you want to get this hand, make sure this hand is up and out of the way so that the operator doesn't have an accident when he's not paying attention. So what we did is we've added some photo eyes so that in order for the or the auto attach and release to work, he has to have his hand on either this shaft, or if he wants to operate the tool with his right hand, he has to have his left hand on this shaft in order to affect the gripper function. So what the operator will do is come straight down. The 3D part helps me get it aligned and centered, and as soon as it's down all the way, we get the grip function. We come up, and then the operator can move over, sets it down, it releases, and then he's back up and off.